Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the voiceover for your TikTok video, and I actually ran across some really dope effects that allow you to like change your original voiceover to a video. So it's going to be fire. I'm going to show you how to get it done, and you know, it's simple. So let's go ahead and get into this and we can get started. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and start with your TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm in my drafts, but it will originally pull you to your profile. Now you could do any video you guys want. So I mean, it could be cooking, etc. And I already did a pre-recorded video. So I'm in my draft. I'm gonna go ahead and click back so it can bring me to the original edit. And I'm going to go ahead and start with my sound at this bottom right-hand corner, or left-hand corner, I'm sorry, y'all. And you're going to go to volume because you want to make sure that your volume original sound is down to 0. You're going to do a voiceover anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay? So now we're going to click this little arrow over here on the right side, and it's going to drop down, and you will have an option for voiceover. So you can click this little circle right here. I'm going to go ahead and keep out my original sound, and I'm just going to go ahead and press record with my voiceover. So I'm on YouTube, y'all, looking up on my channel. I'm cute. Oh, look at her. She cute. Boom. So now I can go ahead and save my voiceover, okay? So I'm on YouTube, y'all, looking up on my channel. Boom. I'm cute. Oh, look at her. She cute. So that is my original voiceover. So let me turn this down for a second. So to get to these dope voice effects that I have found, you're going to go ahead, and as you guys can see, there's the voice effect con right here, voiceover con. The voice effect is right above it. So you want to click the person with the lines coming out of their mouth, and it should pop up with a whole bunch of little icons that give you different types of voice effects. So let's go through them together. So I'm on YouTube, y'all. So right now I have none. I'm clicking on the chipmunk. Oh, look at her, she cute. Baritone. YouTube, y'all. Look at on my channel. Mike. Oh, look at her, she cute. So I'm on YouTube, y'all, looking up on my channel. I'm cute. Oh, look at her, she cute. So I'm on YouTube, y'all, looking up on my channel. I'm cute. Oh, look at her.
That one I always hear. I never really get to hear that one.
The one I always hear is this one.
Oh,
look at her. She cute. I think that's so dope. Looking up on my channel. I'm cute. Oh, look at her. She cute. I like that one. Yes, so I can usually pick any one I want. I think I'm gonna go with the electronic. I'm cute. Oh, look at her. She cute. Or no, I'm going with synth. So this is what I'm gonna choose. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click that and then click my video. She cute. And there you go. Y'all have voice effects. So you could change your voice. I'm cute. Oh, look at her. She cute. So I'm on YouTube, y'all, looking up on my channel. I'm cute. Oh, and there you have it, y'all. It's as simple as that. So you can pick any one that you want, and all you got to do is click next, and now you're ready to post your video. All right, y'all, so there you have it. You will be out here sounding like intergalactic aliens and rappers, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before you go, make sure y'all check out my website, Glossy Cosmetics, okay? Because you are a bad bee when you put on Glossy, okay? It's super smooth. And I mean, it's shiny. Lip gloss is popping. The summer is coming up, y'all. So make sure you get your lip gloss, okay, down in the description box. I love y'all so much. Tap that subscribe button on your way out, honey. And I'll see you guys next time.